My name is Daniele Rustioni and I'm the conductor of Anna Bolena and Roberto Devereux, the first and the third operas in this Tudor trilogy. I like to think the conductor is to be the one of the musicians, of the orchestra. This is one of them. The era of the dictatorial conducting is finished. I have an idea and I know how should it go, but I can't impose. I have to really be open to singers' interpretation and breath and personality, and they at the same time needs to listen. So this combination can be really very dangerous and very hard to do. It's very clean and nothing can go wrong. And of course it's beautiful, it's fantastic music, it's very simple in a way. If you are really able to do something magical from the sometimes emptiness of the page, and then you are a great interpreter. So expect to come and to be open, to be seduced by this superficial simplicity.